Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be looking at a very important institutional reference point called the order block. Now, order blocks are very important institutional reference points. Like I said, we have a good number of them. We have the order block, we have the mitigation block, we have the breakout block, we have the liquidity void, we have the fair value gap, rejection block, and the volume imbalance. You can check out my other videos in my channel to see the explanation I try to give to those other institutional reference points. Other block was explained by Michael Hudson, kudos to him. Other block was also explained by Solomon Kings, kudos to them. So those two guys have tried to give a detailed explanation of what other block is. All I want to do is to try to re-explain what they've explained. That is, other block is very important. So we have two types of other block. We have the bullish order block and the bearish order block. Now, a bullish order block is a red candle, while a bearish order block is a green candle. So a bullish order block is a like I said, a red candle, while a bearish order block is a green candle. So that's it's pretty simple. Now, when you have an uptrend, like from here to here, the last green candle that traded before this red candle, if you're looking at candles, some people will call this candle here a bearish engulfing. So the last green candle that traded before this red candle is called the bearish order block. So this green candle, let me try to use my brush. Now this green candle here, that's this green candle that traded here before this bear candle is our bearish order block. Like I said, for another block, there must be, before you have the other block, there will be a trend, whether an uptrend. So when you're going to have continuous green candles, so the last green candle that traded before this red candle is our bullish, sorry, it's our bearish, sorry, order block. So to explain more, I'm going to use my rectangle tool. So we're going to use rectangle to identify the green candle. Now, like I said, if your institutional reference point is correct, that you discovered the institutional reference point, if it is correct, price will come back to that institutional reference point and price will now react either to go up or to go down. So that is an example of a bearish order block. I'll repeat myself. The last bullish candle that formed before this red candle is what we call our bearish order block. Let's look for more examples. You have a trend here. Now, this green candle is the last green candle before this red candle. Now, this green candle will have been the other block. But why is the green candle not the other block? The green candle is not the other block because if you look at this red candle, that's this doji and this red candle, the wicks took out the high of this green candle. So this doji and this red candle or this red candle becomes the bearish order block. Let's look at the bullish scenario. Now you have these three candles here, this red candle, this red candle, and this red candle. Of course, they have a fair value gap, that's this spike is not up to the spike here. So you have these three candles here. Now, the last red candle that formed, which is this red candle, before this green candle is the bearish sorry, it's the bullish order block. So you observe what I have said. I will take it again. A bullish order block is the last red candle that forms just before the green candle. Of course, before you can have a bullish order block, you have a downtrend. Now, the last red candle that forms just before the green candle is our bullish order block. So you saw what happened. Price moved away and price came back. Like I said, if you draw any of the institutional reference points, price must, not me, price must always come back to that institutional reference point and before it will now decide the direction to trade. I love using the 4 hours because it's a higher time frame compared to other time frame. So let's look at or let's look for other examples. Now we said a bullish order block is the last green candle, which is supposed to be here before the red candle. But this green candle will not be our bearish order block. Why is it not going to be a bearish order block? Because the next red candle that formed after this green candle took out, that is the spike of this red candle is longer than this green candle. So the red candle becomes our bearish order block. And you saw what happened, price came back. Like I said, price will always come back to the other block. You saw what happened, price came back over time and reacted in that manner to the other block. Now let's look at here. Do we have another block here? Yes. Look at this red candle. Look at this red candle. Now this red candle, also the wick took out this green. So this red candle is the last red candle just before this green candle. So that red candle becomes our bullish other block. And you saw what happened, price came back and reacted here and then moved to this other block in question. So that is an idea. Let's look at another example. Let's look at our EUR GBP. So we want to try to identify other block. Don't forget, for a bullish other block, it is the last red candle that forms in a downtrend, whether a short-term downtrend or a long-term downtrend. And for a bullish other block, it is the last red candle that forms, while for a bearish order block, it is the last green candle that forms before the red candle. So this is another good example. We have our EUR and GBP here. The other block will have been this green candle. Some people ask the question, which do I take as my other block if the candle is extremely big? If the candle is extremely big, then you take, and that candle is your other block, then you use 50% of the length of that candle. But can this green candle be our other block? No, because if you look at, this is the last green candle before this red, but if you look at this red candle, the wicks took out the highs of this. So it is this red doji candle that would be our bearish order block. When you saw what happened, price came back and then reacted into that region before price started going down. So this is our bearish order block, and the bullish order block can be found here, which is the last red candle just before this green candle, and that's the bullish order block in question. I hope I've been able to explain simply what an order block is. It is a very powerful institutional reference point. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in another video.